Hey guys, it's RJRC Videos, and today we just got a Traxxas X-Maxx, and this video I'm going to unbox it. Alright guys, let's open up this X-Maxx here. Trying to get this thing out of the box. There's all right. There it is. Look at that. She is pretty. Wow. Alright guys, there she is, fully unboxed. And that thing is a monster. Alright guys, there she is, fully unboxed. And that thing is a monster. In the front and back, there were two zip ties. Had to take a very sharp knife to cut them. And up here on top, let's smooth this over here. Up here on top, this right here, just twist it to unlock the body, raise it up, and now the body will come right off. Push it back down, push this to lock the body on, and now the body is on there. And the batteries that I got for this is these Reactions 50C. They're way better than the 25C Traxxas batteries that you can buy with this, with the charger. These are 5,000 milliamp at a 3C charge rate, 3-cell, 11.1 volt batteries. This thing ought to give this X-Maxx some real nice power. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks.